Evening, the conditions contributing to
and providing analysis and expert. Well, the pre-match build-up has been fantastic. Now, the game itself. Well, if you didn't just miss it, we are up and running already. Shevchenko! An attempt which, in hindsight, was probably just beyond him. And it's made its way to him. Totti. That's a foul, and the whistle's gone. Well, it's not taken him long.
Denied a clear opportunity, but it had to be done.
What a start. Free kick in a dangerous position in the opening minutes. Platini! That is a little undercooked. And it's Shevchenko. Aimed beyond the defence. And he shoots! Good play on. Now it's Luis Suarez. Threads one in. And he's worked it through. He's found a way through.
Well, he certainly...
Shevchenko absolutely focused then on the defensive side of his game.
Yeah, listen, we often get critical of a forward's tackle, but that was squeaky clean.
And here's Hullet. And Hullet! Oh, smashing head that far. Hullet. Shevchenko. And the finish! But that won't be the last they'll see of him. Probing pass. Chips it through. Now it's Luis Suarez. Van der Ven can get it clear. Vieira. Luis Suarez. That's a foul, no two ways about it. And no... And it's Maldini. Cross from Maldini. Oh, what a climb! Away with unashamed certainty.
Oh, it's a fantastic assist as well, Peter. Delivered at pace, the diversion, that's all that was needed.
So the first goal of the game.
Well, this should have...
Luis Suarez! Finish of true class! Again, in... And here's Hullet. Referee's had a look, and he's blown his whistle for half-time.
Or the latter, go for a third, especially with a full half of football still to play.
A half of massive entertainment and ball. That has been knocked clear. Well, a glitch with the rangefinder there, and evident annoyance.
Yeah, he just didn't seem to get enough on the task, Peter, did he?
And here's Owen. Another pass just keeps it ticking over. Oh, well played, well played. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Right. And it's Maldini. Pirlo. That's a good ball out wide. Now it's Shevchenko. Couple of goals between the sides, and it's still early in the second half. Now this could be a chance. Looking for options for movement. Shapes to shoot! Against the crossbar!
That's really well played. It's just the type of run you need. Off the shoulder of the last defender, stay onside.
Now it's Shevchenko. And the pass is intercepted. Now it's Luis Suarez. That looks a good ball through. Shoots! Just by 3. They have their boots on the throats of their foes. A momentary lapse mercilessly exploited to get on to the end of things. Well, the run has been sold a little bit short there.
They should have done a lot.
It's Totti! And the keeper has done...
It matter now.
Thuram. The message is... And the shot!
Ball.
It's their second corner of the game. And it's been taken short. And he was alert to it. And now they can spring out of defence. Might be danger here. And the shot! It's there! Too painful to watch. Where? It's become a case of men against boys.
Well, their manager seems to have them always thinking about the next goal. When's the next goal coming? They're such an entertaining watch.
That's an Can he get it through? He's in plenty of space here. He is through here. Cross to the back post. He's seen through all of that. Beautifully shaped ball. Alvarez. Barcelona looking to pass their way through. Added time is up, and there goes the whistle. Well, that was a tale of two very... The other, quite the opposite in all of those areas.
Well, the look on the manager's face says it all. He knows he set his attack up perfectly, and the players carried out his instructions to the letter, it would seem.
My thanks to Jim. We both wish you a very good evening.
I got this talk to me. Hey, just slow it down, let your body speak. Right away, baby girl, don't you worry, not fret. Let it